Open Source Business Model, Support and Services. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the open source business model, specifically focusing on support and services. This model includes providing maintenance, consulting, and training to help businesses thrive. First, let's talk about maintenance. In the open source world, maintenance services are crucial. They ensure that software and systems are running smoothly, with regular updates and bug fixes. This proactive approach helps prevent issues before they disrupt operations. Next up is consulting. Open source consulting services offer expert advice to help businesses implement and optimize open source solutions. Consultants bring specialized knowledge, guiding companies through complex technical landscapes and helping them achieve their goals. Training is another key component. Open source training services provide employees with the skills they need to effectively use and manage open source software. This can include everything from basic user training to advanced technical courses. Let's look at a real-world example: Red Hat. Red Hat is a leading provider of open source solutions, offering a range of support and services. They provide maintenance through regular updates and security patches for their software products. Red Hat's consulting services help businesses integrate and optimize their open source solutions. Their consultants work closely with clients to develop tailored strategies that meet their specific needs. Red Hat also offers extensive training programs. These programs cover various aspects of their software, from basic usage to advanced system administration, ensuring that clients can fully leverage the power of open source technology. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of open source business models. See you next time.